Explain the dual cycle. We know that Otto cycle is an idealized thermodynamic cycle, which consists of 4 processes, out of which 2 are isentropic, and the other 2 are isochoric processes. Also, we know that diesel cycle is an idealized thermodynamic cycle, which consists of 4 processes, out of which 2 are isentropic, 1 is isobaric, and 1 is an isochoric process. In practice, these cycles are not real. In spark ignition engine, as some time is required for the chemical reactions to take place, thus the combustion does not take place at constant volume. Also in diesel engine, as the combustion is rapid and uncontrolled, thus the combustion does not take place at constant pressure. To approach these processes more clearly, heat addition is done as a combination of constant volume and constant pressure process, while rest of the processes are kept the same. Thus the new cycle comes out to be. This cycle is known as dual cycle or mixed cycle. It is also called limited pressure cycle. Thus we can say that dual cycle is a reversible cycle, which consists of 5 reversible processes, out of which 2 are reversible isentropic, 2 are reversible isochoric, and 1 is a reversible isobaric process. Thus, on observing the dual cycle, we get the following processes. Process 1-1 is the isobaric process. Process 1-2 is the isentropic compression process. Process 2-3 is the isochoric heat addition process. Process 3-4 is the isobaric heat addition process. Process 4-5 is the isentropic expansion process. Process 5-1-1- is the isochoric heat removal and isobaric exhaust processes. Also, the dual cycle can be represented on a TS plot as related terms are